Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that refers to a monumental sculpture carved into the granite face of a mountain in South Dakota, USA, featuring the faces of 4 US presidents. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Mount Rushmore, Mount Rushmore, Mount Rushmore, Mount Rushmore. It was completed in 1941, and it stands as a symbol of American history and democracy. Over 2 million people visit the site each year. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Mount Rushmore, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.